Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is our boom 150 on 5 minute time frames. So I want to show you this wonderful indicator, this very smart indicator that has helped me a lot on this particular trend. The major problem in the market today is for you to identify the key rejection zone in the market. But I found this perfect indicator which analyzes so perfect for me, guys. As you can see on our charts here, we have the uptrend level here, which identify the trend of the market for us at this level. And what we can see here is that we also have another trend at this particular zone, which is our blue. This is our blue line here, which indicates the uptrend of the market, and our yellow line here, our orange line here, indicates the downtrend of the market. And that is why we are having something like this here. If we check this particular one here, you will see that our trend start from this particular zone. It start from this particular zone. Although our histograph have shifted to this particular zone because it doesn't have enough strength to start from here. So as you can see, we have a downtrend from this particular moment, which happened to be here, and we take it down up to this particular level. And we also have another last opportunity for us to enter the trade. This is where we have this. So, and this one, this particular identify price tag appear at this particular candle here. It appear at this particular candle here, and that is when it shows us that that is the last opportunity that we have in the market if we are going to be taking a sell. So we can see, apart from this, our trend confirming it here, we also have our histograph confirming that this particular trend is a downtrend, and we also have our last opportunity at this particular zone. So that is the first confirmation. And when we see now, we are going to be seeing another confirmation here at this particular zone. We can see that the trend ended at this particular zone. It ended at this particular zone, and we can see that we have another trend here, which indicate our arrow and our blue line have appeared at this particular zone. And we can, when we check the chart also, we can see that our trend have started taking the move, and we can see that our trend starting moving on towards the direction of the uptrend, which happen to be what we have here currently. And we can see here now we have the movement on the uptrend. And immediately we go to this particular zone, we can discover that we have another trend showing up to us at this particular area, that we have a downtrend, that we are having a downtrend. That is when you identify that your trend has been changed. And you can see that the market go down on and starting respecting this particular zone based on this indicator. So this indicator is very smart, and it's one of the indicators that has helped me a lot. And you can see that is what I'm having on my chart, on boom 500. We can see it also works the same principle. But I'm using it on 5 minute time frames. So if you get this particular indicator, you can also use it on your 1 minute time frames, your 20 minute, your 30 minute time frames, your 1 hour time frames. It works on all boom and crash index and step index. It works perfectly on step index also. So we can see we identify our rejection zone at this particular area, and we take up our uptrend. And currently now we are moving on a downtrend. So we can see that it worked perfect. This is boom. This is crash 500 on 5 minutes also. We can see our opportunity at this particular zone, and we can see our market that respect that particular level here. That is how we take this trade. We can see this is an uptrend for us to take the move. This is an uptrend for us to take the move. You can see on the move, and we have our last opportunity here, and this is this downtrend. This is our last opportunity here. So you can decide to match this particular smart indicator with what you have before, so for you to have an accurate result, and you can decide to use only this indicator. So to get your indicator, I will drop the Telegram link on the description of this particular video, so that you can join my Telegram group and get more updates on different indicator. And you can also get this particular indicator. What you just need to do is to